Here we have a 2015 Chevy Camaro, 2SS, red and manual, one owner, clean Carfax, about 30,000 miles. Really sharp vehicle here, as you can see, extremely good looking, has all the bells and whistles, louvered hood, race red, 2SS, manual transmission, just what you're looking for if you're looking for a sports car. Excellent performance without sacrificing much efficiency. Does have the high intensity headlamps with the integrated high intensity fogs, LED fogs down there. Continue around to the side here. Just want to show you have the low profile ZR20s. Good tread on these tires here, probably about half tread or more. Also, you can see you have your Brembo brakes, 5-spoke factory wheel, scuff free, really in good shape. Also, you can see your nice shiny resurfaced rotor and brand new brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Now, as we look in through the passenger side here, you can see you do have a power adjustment for the passenger seat, leather appointments, charcoal with offset white stitching, got the embroidery of the SS in the headrests. You can see two captain's bucket seats there with a full console that rolls in between. You also have your nice chrome Chevrolet door sill entry guards here as well. Also want to show you it does have the upgraded Boston Acoustics sound. Like I say, this vehicle is very well equipped. We'll continue around to the back just to show you it does have the matching ZR20 tires. These are Pirellis. Like I say, half tread or better on these. Really sharp, no scuffs on that wheel either, and there you can see the brand new resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. Continuing around to the back, you can see again you got your 2SS and your SS badging. You got your dual exhausts on both sides. We also have your park sensors here on the rear, your ultrasonic park sensors, help keep you from bumping into things. We also have a backup camera located right there by the license plate, as you can see. We'll continue around to the other side here on the driver. Again, just showing you the nice clean alloy wheel, no scuffs or scrapes, better than half tire on the back here. And then we'll show you here the inside. Now, as you can see, you have a full power seat on the driver's side as well. There's those chrome door sill entry guards. And I'm just gonna kind of start this car up, also let you, kind of give you a feel what it's like to be behind the wheel. We'll start the tour with the trunk release button, which is here. You can also access that release through the key fob. We also have your power windows here, your power locks, and your power mirrors. Now, as we get into the vehicle, I'll show you the key. As you can see, we do have two keys for this vehicle. There you see the, power trunk release integrated fob. Now, let's go ahead and pop this open and start it up. Let you see the, get my seat up here a little bit. Let you see the mouse, listen to the engine rumble. It's got a cool sound to it. There we go. Once that goes through its startup, I'll be able to show you the mileage here. I'm sorry, it only has 11,485 miles, so extremely like new. I spoke wrong there at the beginning of this video. Very much like new, 11,500 miles. Let's continue the tour. We got headlamps, fog light button in the middle, automatic headlamp control. You got your cluster dimmer right there. On your stem to the left is your cruise control, your menu options, for your customizable features within the driver convenience. You also have your high beams, turn signals. The right stem over here is your intermittent wiper washers. Cruise control is located to the left of the steering wheel. Audio controls and Bluetooth voice activation is located on the right. Now, this has, like I say, the upgraded top of the line radio. Does have your factory nav as well. I'll just go ahead and show that to you. There you can see your factory nav. You also have your AM, FM, your satellite radio. We got you know, a lot of different features there within that radio system. You do have the heated seats, which the buttons are in the center here for your driver passenger heated seats. Also your dual climate control. All your gauges, your mechanical gauges, are down below there. You can see for your oil pressure, power supply, trans temp, oil temp, things of that nature. Traction control is there as well. Of course, you have a nice 6-speed manual here, and your pattern is located down below. We got the pull handle for the for your emergency brake. Of course, it's got the auto dim rear view mirror with the OnStar there. You can see those buttons. We've got your LED map lights. We got your sunroof button here. As you can see, it is equipped with your factory roof. You got 2 large cup holders there, and when we pop open the console, you can see your USB and another 12-volt power supply. So if you want it, it's got it. It's loaded with equipment. I'm going to put this vehicle, make sure it's in neutral here. We've got the e-brake hooked. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood, let you see this 6.2 liter engine. Excellent output. Hood release is right there. There you see 6.2 liter V8, nice, quiet, looks like new, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. The only thing you hear is a little ticking in the engine. It sounds like a sewing machine, but that exhaust rumble is really cool when you're out underneath the hood here. You can see very, very clean, like new. What you would expect with only 11,000 miles. Let's go ahead and shut the car off now. We'll get into the next portion of the video. The next portion of the video I really think differentiates us from a lot of dealers. Not only are we completely upfront in our pricing, we're also upfront in the condition of our vehicle. My job is just to go through, show you any minor imperfections the vehicle may have. Front fender looks good, no chips, dings. Say it's a clean one-owner vehicle, shows no signs of any prior paint. All the body line's nice, straight and clean. We have a very minor scratch behind the door handle, so minor I don't even think it'll pick up on the video. We have a little tiny chip right there. There again, so minor. I don't think you'll be able to see it. It's also already been touched up with factory matching paint, so it blends right in. Top of this deck lid looks great. We do have some aftermarket tint there on the windows. That looks good also. Back of the deck lid looks excellent. Coming up the side here looks really good also. Top of the roof looks fine. No dings or dents up there. Just one small little chip right there, as you can see. Coming up this door, we do have a little door ding right here. A little chip, a little tiny dent on that door. But really, that's the only imperfection I've noticed here as I'm going around the vehicle. Front fender looks good also. We got a little tiny chip right there, as you can see. Coming up the front here, looks really good there also. Actually, hardly any stone chips at all on the front of this vehicle, even on the lower air dam, which is tough because of how nose down this vehicle is. We have a small chip right there, which I don't even know if you can see. And the hood looks very good also. Little chip right there. But as you can see, guys, very, very much a like new alternative. Showroom condition really for 2015 with excellent low mileage. Still has the remainder of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties offered by Chevrolet, so you can buy this car with confidence. I don't expect it to be here long. If you're interested, a few ways you can get a hold of us. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.